So, Izunna, talk me through an average day as a Senior MLOps Engineer at Fuzzy Labs.
Yeah, absolutely. So for me, generally coming in the morning and I spend some time sort of acclimating to the work that I have to do. So for the project that I'm working on at the moment, I'm the solo dev on it. So that usually involves figuring out what updates I need to give to the tech lead on that project. And then I spend most of the day developing, essentially implementing code. And then normally there's also a little stand-up as well.
What is the most exciting thing about being a Senior MLOps Engineer?
For me, I think it's the amount of agency that you get. I feel like here at Fuzzy Labs in particular, there's a certain level of trust that you're given in your approach to the problem. And unlike other places, I would say, you're able to experiment with different things, and I really appreciate that sort of freedom. And I think as a senior MLOps engineer as well, I'm able to use a lot of the experiences that I've developed and nurtured in order to help pick a solution that works particularly well for the given project.
What is an unexpected thing that you've learnt?
This one's going to sound a bit funny, but at the place that I was before Fuzzy Labs, I developed some project management sort of behavior patterns, which I didn't really think would be all that useful, but I found them really useful here. So things like just keeping everyone up to date. So one of the things that I've been doing with the project I'm working is just giving loads of updates, bullet point updates with sort of summaries. So I found that particularly useful.
What are the top skills that you think a Senior MLOps Engineer needs?
You definitely need to be quite broad spectrum and not to overuse the terminology, but I think particularly at Fuzzy Labs, you need to be full stack focused, so not just on one particular part of the ML lifecycle. You really do need to know that full end to end, so not just deployment, but also you need to know like the modeling side, some of the data engineering side as well. And the main reason for that is that each project can call upon different skills. So it's really useful to be able to know where to go essentially and what good looks like and what the best approaches are for the given solution.
If there was someone wanting to work at Fuzzy Labs, what would you tell them to brush up on?
Probably a lot of different things, I would say, is a good start. So maybe more concretely, have good Python knowledge generally, having a good background across different tools as well. So not just different modeling frameworks, but also things for reporting and just generally different software engineering patterns that can help you think about problems differently as well is a good thing to know ahead of time.
What's your favourite part of MLOps / what do you like to work on?
Ooh, I really like working on systems. I'm quite into designing systems and really thinking about the trade-offs between how different systems integrate with each other. And yeah, that's generally the type of thing that I'm currently really into.
What are the other physicians like to work with?
Oh, they're really great here, to be honest with you. I genuinely haven't felt so accustomed to a particular group of people like this before. Like, we have so much in common down to the different sort of nerdy things that we're really into as well, which was a really nice thing to discover when I started.
And finally, one word for what it's like to work at Fuzzy Labs.
It's definitely fast-paced. That's multiple words. It's hard to summarize in one word, I'd say.